In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Drive support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to clearly describe your issue so you can get the right help faster. First, open your web browser and go to support.google.com/drive. This is the official help center for Google Drive. You'll find articles and troubleshooting guides, but our focus today is reaching the section where you can request help directly. Once the page loads, scroll down. You're looking for a Contact Us option. Depending on your account type, region, time of day, and the kind of problem you're having, this option may or may not appear. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're signed in with the Google account that's experiencing the issue, then refresh the page and scroll again. Sometimes availability changes, so checking back a little later can help. If Contact Us is visible, go ahead and click it. After you click, you'll be guided through on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to route your request to the right place, so take a moment to read each one carefully. You'll usually be asked to describe your issue. Keep your description clear and specific. A great way to do this is to briefly explain what you were trying to do, what actually happened, and what you expected to happen instead. Include the exact text of any error message, when the problem started, and the steps that lead to it every time. Details like whether you're using the Drive website or the mobile app, your device type, operating system, and browser or app version are especially useful. If you've already tried anything to fix it, such as restarting the app or checking your internet connection, mention that too so you don't get suggestions you've already covered. If the form offers a place to add screenshots, use them to highlight the error or behavior you're seeing. Just make sure not to include sensitive information, never share passwords, security codes, or private file contents. As you continue through the prompts, you may be asked to confirm a topic or pick the category that best matches your issue. Choose the closest match so the system can provide the most relevant next steps. If any suggestions appear that don't fit, refine your description with a bit more detail and proceed. That's it. Go to the Google Drive Help Center, scroll to find Contact Us if it's available, click it, and then describe your issue clearly and completely using the tips we covered. This approach gives support the context they need to help you as efficiently as possible.